So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls, as I mentioned, from the... Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the centre at the bottom, the fuel gauge. And at the top, total miles for this car. Firstly, they are 50,144. You can change that information for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy info using the button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our phone and stereo controls. Cruise control over on the right-hand side. And then into the centre, the main stereo for the car. So all of the buttons that you'll need here, and then the screen directly above it. So you can pair a phone, as you can see on there at the moment, which we're not going to do at the moment. When it comes to audio, we've got DAB radio, two different sections for that, two different sections for AM as well, and then the same for FM. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so via the CD player, via Bluetooth audio, which you can see on the screen now, auxiliary input and USB input as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music, and as I say, all access just here. The volume for your stereo is there as well. Below that we have the climate control, so you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, the direction you'd like the air distributed in. The air conditioning's off, back on again, or hit auto, which, and I'm going to override this, as you can hear, the car will then take control for you to maintain this temperature. You can override that whenever you wish to. We can turn off the stop and start, we can put the car in eco, we can turn the parking sensors on and off as well. We have some storage down here, the gear lever for the 5-speed manual gearbox, your 12-volt charging socket, auxiliary and USB inputs, and then your 2 cup holders as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.